Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Iram's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. If you like my recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bells icon to get notifications on new videos. Welcome back everyone. Today's recipe is Bakrid special. Soft, juicy, melt in the mouth mutton sheikh kebabs. To make mutton sheikh kebabs, we will need mutton mince, onions, fresh coriander, green chilies, mint leaves, bread, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, red chili flakes, roasted cumin seed powder, chaat masala, garam masala, turmeric, red food color and salt. In a food processor, we will add the coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies and the onion. We are going to coarsely chop these. Just give it a pulse or two in the processor. See, this is what we want. See how coarse it is? Now we add the bread. Bread acts as a binding agent. You know, when we make our sheikhs, for them to hold their shape. Now let's give this another blitz. See how finely chopped everything is? Now we add half of the mutton mince. The mince should have no water in it, should be well drained. As I have mentioned, this is 70% meat and 30% fat. The fat is what gives the sheikh kebabs its juicy softness. Now let's give this another blitz. See how everything is combining well? Now to this we will add the remaining mutton mince. To this we will add the ginger garlic paste. Next we add the salt. And blitz it one last time. Now we are gonna blitz this till everything is well combined. See, this is what we want. The mince is nice and smooth but still has some grain to it. See, it has a nice texture. Now we will transfer the mince to a large bowl. To this we will add the dry spices and the food color. Next we will add the lemon juice. And mix it well till the mince and the spices are well incorporated. After kneading it well for 5 minutes, it should look like this. Everything well combined. Oh, it smells amazing. Now we will add a little ghee. This will give the mince a glossy sheen. This step is completely optional. Now let's make a well in the center as we will smoke the sheikh kebab mince to give it a smoky flavor. We will keep a foil bowl in the center and place a piece of charcoal. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and immediately cover it. We will smoke the mince for 4 minutes. Our 4 minutes are done. Let's open it. Yes, look at that. Remove the bowl with the coal and mix the mince immediately to infuse all the smoke in the mince. There, our mutton mince is ready to be turned into sheikh kebabs. Now, with a greased palm, we will pick some mince, make a ball like so, and place it on a dowel. I am using a dowel. You can also use a large straw or a skewer. Remember, we have to keep greasing our palm with some oil and make the shape of the sheikh kebab. If we don't, then the mince will stick to your palm. Don't stretch it too thin or keep it too thick. See? Do it like I am showing here. It should be nice and smooth all around. Now let's slowly remove the sheikh. Yes, perfect. Now let's place this on a tray. Now all our mutton sheikh kebabs are ready. Look how I have tried to keep the sheikh kebabs an even shape and size. See how they are holding their shape. You can also make these in advance and freeze them for a later occasion. So what are we waiting for? Let's fry them. To a shallow fry pan, we will add 5 tablespoons of oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Bring the oil up to a medium hot and slowly place the sheikh kebabs in the oil. Place them far apart. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. If we overcrowd the pan, there will be moisture build up, and we don't want moisture to build up, because if that happens, the sheikh kebabs will release all the juices and they will not turn out well. Cook the sheikh kebabs 4 minutes on each side. Keep checking on them. Slowly turn them. They are very soft and tend to break. Fry them on all sides till they are a nice golden. Oh, it's smelling heavenly. Look how beautifully they are cooking. Look at that color. Well, here Our sheikh kebabs are ready. Look at that. How beautiful. They are perfectly done from all sides. Look at the deliciousness. Let's serve them up. Well, there you have it. Mutton sheikh kebabs laid on a bed of fresh green lettuce with a side of pickled onions, wedges of lemon, some cucumbers, tomato rosettes, and a garlic mayonnaise dip. Please do make it at home. Enjoy it with your family, friends, and your loved ones. And please, please, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet again, this is Iram wishing you all a safe and fabulous week.